Ever looked at your Raiz balance and thought, wait, why is it a little less than I expected? You're not alone. The question of fees is a common one, and honestly, it's a valid concern. After all, you are investing your hard-earned money, and you want to understand exactly where it's going. Let's rewind a bit. Raiz, like many investment platforms, needs to cover its operating costs. Think of it as a business, right? They have to pay for things like server maintenance, software development, customer support, and all the behind-the-scenes work that keeps the platform running smoothly. These costs are ultimately passed on to the users in the form of fees. Now, Raiz isn't just pocketing your money for fun. They offer a service. They're providing you with access to diversified investment portfolios, often using exchange-traded funds or ETFs. This allows you to invest in a wide range of assets without having to manually pick and choose individual stocks or bonds. They manage the rebalancing, the dividend reinvestment, and all the complexities that come with investing. This convenience and accessibility comes at a price. So, what exactly are these fees? Raiz structures its fees based on your account balance. This means the amount you pay is directly related to how much you're investing. This is a common practice in the financial world. The specific fee structure can vary, so it's always best to check the latest details on the Raiz website or app. They usually provide a clear breakdown of their fee schedule. One of the most common types of fees is the account keeping fee, which is a regular charge to maintain your account. This fee helps cover the ongoing operational costs we talked about earlier. Additionally, there might be fees associated with specific transactions, such as withdrawals or special investment options. It's also important to understand the concept of expense ratios within the ETFs that Raiz uses. ETFs themselves have operating costs, which are reflected in their expense ratios. This ratio is a percentage of your investment that goes towards managing the ETF. This isn't a Raiz-specific fee, but it's a cost associated with the underlying investments you're making through the platform. Now, here's the crucial part: transparency. Raiz, like any reputable financial platform, should be transparent about its fees. They should provide clear and accessible information so you can make informed decisions. If you're unsure about any of the fees you're being charged, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support. They're there to help you understand the costs involved. Remember, investing always involves costs. It's about weighing the costs against the potential benefits. Consider the convenience, diversification, and automation that Raiz provides. Are the fees justified for the service you're receiving? That's a question only you can answer. Ultimately, understanding the fees is a part of being a responsible investor. Take the time to review the fee schedule, ask questions, and make sure you're comfortable with the costs involved. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.